Good morning, dear children. Class 12, English. Lesson 1, A Girl with Basket. The writer of this lesson is William C. Douglas. Now you have to hear the theme of this lesson. Once the author William C. Douglas, who was the judge of America, he came to India to visit private and government sector. First of all, he reached to Delhi. He had to go on a hill station. He went to the railway station and got a train and sat on it. After that, he was going with a passenger train. When he reached at any station, he came down from the train on the platform and asked the 2 or 3 people. The people were barefooted and they wore long white dress. He asked from them 3 persons, one of them, and who can speak English. He wanted to know the condition of the Indian society and culture. At every station, he stopped and came down the station and asked the people. He was going and he stopped at one station and went on the platform. There were many refugee children who were selling basket, fans and simple designs and other things. He bought some fans and some basket. There was a girl of 9 age. She had a lovely basket with handle and she went to the author William C. Douglas and said, "Please purchase my basket." The author told, "I have bought many baskets, fans. I have no rooms to put them. I do not want to buy your basket." At this, the 9-year-old girl saw him and said, "Please buy my basket." Then he asked to the girl, "What is the price of this basket?" The girl, refugee girl, told that its cost is about 50 cents. Anyhow, the girl bought the basket. The girl sold her basket to the William C. Douglas and took the rupee and went out from the platform and dashed down to her hut. In this passage, the author told the condition of the refugee persons who came from Pakistan to India, because there was religious movement and they did not stay there. Anyhow, they came to India. The refugee persons from Pakistan came to India. They had not much foods, not much money, but some important things with them. The food did not stop many days. The money was spent and the food was also spent. Anyhow, they came to India, the refugee from Pakistan, and they started their small shops, and they were trying to making some articles as like fans and basket, and they reached there where the crowd was much and sold their fans and their basket. The author, describing the pitiable condition of the refugee persons who came from Pakistan to India. The refugee children who were selling basket and fans on the platform, when they saw the author on the platform at a station, they reached there and surrounded him and began to crying, "Please, but my fans and my basket." At there, the author saw some refugee children. They were selling basket and fans. In this way, they were trying to lead their life and earning some money. The poor refugee persons who had not money, their food was spent, but they decided to earn money. But some of them who were trying and going near the roadside, they were very hungry, and being hungry, their condition was very pitiable. With hunger, they fell down on the roadside and died. In this passage, there are some difficult meaning. As start, it means begin. Trek means a long journey on foot. A bit means a small piece, belongings, things. Out of food, without food. Wayside means roadside. These are some difficult meaning of this passage. In this passage, you have to write reference. This passage has been taken from the lesson "A Girl with a Basket," written by William C. Douglas, the judge of America who came to India. And after it, context The author is describing the pitiable condition of the refugees children and their parents. At one station, the author saw some refugee children. They were selling basket and fans. And after it, you have to write explanation. In this passage, the author, William C. Douglas, says that when the refugee left their homes in Pakistan, when partition was done in Pakistan and India, they became very poor. Who came to India, left all their house and some belonging things. They have taken some important and urgent thing with them. They became very poor when they came to India because their money was spent and their food was also spent. The long journey to India made them further poorer. When he came to India, they became very poorer because they had spent money on their food, because their food was spent, there was no food, but what they had, some money, they bought food and other things. They had left all property in Pakistan when they came from Pakistan to India. They left all their house and important things in Pakistan. They could carry with them was some food and some necessary articles. These refugee person who came to India, they could carry some important things, some foods and some other articles. They had a little food with them and they had a little money with them. But their food did not last long because they had to stay in India. The hunger, the poorness made them very weak. They have no money, they have no food. Without food, without money, all the refugees who came to India were very weak. So many of them. The author says that so many of them, the refugee person who came to India, they have not much money and not much food. Their food was lost. So many of them, the refugee, many of them fell on the wayside where they were going on the wayside, and being hungry, they fell down on the road and died of hunger and weakness. In this way, we see that 9 million person refugee came to India to stay, but some of them were died on the way, and who remained alive, they came to India, and their girls and children also came with them, and they stayed there where the crowd was much. They started made some articles as like fans and basket and other little toys and articles, and they began to sell on the platform, in the market and other crowded place, who began to earn money and began to lead their life in poor condition. The refugees were very poor, but they decided to manufacture some articles, and they began to sell it in the fair, in the market, and on the platform of the railway station. Thus we see that the poor refugee who came from Pakistan to India began to earn a little money by selling a little things, toys, fans and basket. In this way, they lead their life in India. Who died on the way, their children, boys and girls and their relatives came to India, and they settled down in India and began to lead their poor condition life in India. देखिए कई मिनट हुआ. In this way, we see that the refugee who came India from Pakistan, they were very poor because they have no money. Their food also lost, and they were very weak and ill. Some of them died on the way from Pakistan to India. And remaining person who came to India, they started their work for earning money, because their money was also spent in this way. They made some articles, and these articles were very cheap. The children of India can buy these articles for their toys as some necessary things, as baskets. They made baskets and designed it very properly with color, and they made the fans from the leaf of palm. These fans were very nice. When the people looked at it, they bought it because it was very cheap and beautiful for them. The author also saw the refugee children on the platform, and he bought some basket made from cheap things. He bought some fruit basket and some other basket, and he also bought some fans because the author did not see these kinds of fans and basket in America. So he bought some fans and basket. Once a 9-year-old girl came to him, and she had a lovely basket with handle and color. She urged to the author, "Please buy my basket." In this way, the author told the girls that I cannot buy your basket because I had bought some fans and basket. In this way, the author had all the baskets who he bought in his left hand. When he saw the miserable condition of 9-year-old girl, he taken out some money from his pocket. When the girl showed the basket to the author, she told, "Please buy my basket." The author taken out some money from his right pocket of the coat and put in the basket of the girl. But when the girl saw the money, she took the money and returned to the author, William C. Douglas. That girl was 9 years old. Her clothes were very dirty. She was illiterate. She was not educated. Her voice also very poor because she was not educated. Her words were very bad, and in this way the author saw that girl, and in the last he bought the basket of that girl. He gave the girl 1 rupee and 50 paise to the girl. Getting the money, selling the basket of her, she went out from the platform and went away to the hut where she lived. After that, the author reached where he had to go, and he went by the train Dehradun at a British Civil Army station, and after that he went to when he returned to Delhi, he told all this story to the Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he told that the Indian people, as they were in office, as they were in their village, they were poor, but they had honored and respect of India का. कितना हुआ? हाँ? 4 मिनट और 24 हो गया, 26 हो गया, 4 मिनट. In the explanation, the author says that when the refugee left their home in Pakistan, they became very poor. The long journey to India made them further poorer because they had spent their money on their food. They had left all the property in Pakistan. When they began to come India, they could carry with them was some food for some days and some necessaries and urgent things, articles. The food of them did not last long because the food was spent. Hunger and thirst and tired made them very weak. Their health became very weak. They could not walk a foot. So many of them on the roadside, when they were coming, they fell on the road way, and where they fell, they died because hunger and weakness have defeated their health. Being hungry and weakness increases much to them, and some of them died and some of them remain alive. They reached in towns and cities and they began to lead their life, making some simple articles to selling them on the platform, in the market, fairs and crowded place. Thus we see that all refugee persons who came to India, some of them died On the way,